It all started somewhere in 1970 in St. Augustine's School, where I brought my junior brother, now Dr. Buckle, to Form 1 in St. Augustine's College. And I bumped into a very good-looking young chap with fine afro hair who tried to homo me. "Hey, homo tintin braha," he said. I walked slowly towards him with a smile on my face. But before he could visit the usual student pranks on me, I heard a voice yell at him from behind me. "Hey, Jude, come for you. Esha iyo ye homo." So I called the young man to myself and asked for his name. And as his surname sounded almost like mine, Bucknor, mine being Buckle, we became friends from that day onwards. And that led me into knowing his elder brother, Charles, who happened to have the same first name as myself, Charles. And later on, the rest of the family, because we enjoyed good life, am I right? We had one thing in common, dancing. Since then, we have been friends, and thanks to the very strict discipline of our parents, I bet we have remained more like brothers, faithful to the tenets of the Catholic faith, that our schools, they in St. Augustine's, me in St. John's at the time, now called Pope John's, because of the strict discipline of our parents and the elders, we are who we are today. Dearly beloved, I stand here to tell you that your dear husband, Sarah, your dear husband, Charles, your dad, Eja, Ifwa, and Kojo, to tell you, Jude, and your dear brothers and sisters, that our brother, whose mortal remains lie here, has paid his dues to this country, Ghana. He has paid his dues to the church which he loved to a fault. In fact, like the very dramatic figure that Charles was, I definitely believe he would not disapprove my wearing red today to make a statement, because he made a statement in everything that he did. But I also believe very well that Charles Kofi Bucknor would have loved me to sing a Latin requiem today. I don't think we believed that the time would come for me to stand here to say goodbye to his mortal remains. So, at the end of my sermon, I will sing a small Latin piece to say to my brother, live on in our hearts and in our memories. Lucea Reis Domine, cum sanctis tuis in aeternum, quia pius est. Requiem aeternam dona eo Domine, et lux perpetua luceat eo, cum sanctis tuis in aeternum,